If you're using CapCut Pro on PC, you've probably run into this issue. You finish editing your video, click export, and suddenly a pop-up appears asking you to subscribe to CapCut Pro. This usually happens when you've used Pro elements or features during editing, and it leaves many users confused. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut Pro on your PC for free. And yes, no cracks, no hacks, and no shady tricks. The best part is, you don't even need to log in, and this works regardless of the version you're using. So, without further ado, let's get started. Click back to edit. Now, instead of using the export button, we're going to make CapCut render the video inside the timeline as a preview file. To do this, first click anywhere on your timeline and press Ctrl+A to select everything. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. This combines everything into a single layer. Now, right-click the new compound clip and select Pre-Process Compound Clip. Pre-processing tells CapCut to render this heavy clip in the background, so playback becomes smoother. But in reality, it's also rendering your full quality video into a hidden cache folder on your PC. Wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. Don't close it before it's finished. At this point, your video is essentially being exported in the background. Once the processing is complete, your 4K video is actually stored on your hard drive. CapCut just hides it inside a temporary cache folder. Now, let's go and find it. Minimize CapCut. Press Windows+R to open the Run dialog box. Type App Data and click OK. This is where applications store their internal data. Now follow this exact path to find where CapCut stored your rendered video. Open Local, then CapCut, then User Data, then Projects. Look for a folder named com.lveditor.draft. This is where CapCut stores all of your project drafts. Inside, you'll see folders for all your projects. Open the one that matches your current project name or number. Next, open Resources, and then the Combination folder. You'll see two files here. Ignore the file that ends with alpha. That's only transparency data. The other file is your fully rendered, high-quality video that we just got CapCut to create. Now, simply drag and drop that file directly into the Import section in CapCut. If you get the message, "Couldn't import, some materials are damaged," don't worry. Just restart CapCut and the issue should be resolved. After restarting, drag and drop the same file into CapCut again. This time, it should import without any problems. Once it's added, delete the previous compound clip because that version still contains the Pro elements. Now CapCut will no longer detect any active Pro features. Because of that, when you open the export window, CapCut treats it as a normal free project. You can choose 4K resolution, 60 FPS, a high bitrate, or any other export settings you want. Click Export, and your video will be saved to your PC without any watermark and without asking you to pay for a subscription. And that's it. That's a simple and legitimate way to use CapCut Pro features on your PC by understanding how the software renders its preview files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.